I'm Ben.
And I'm Alishea.
And we're here today at the BAFTA Children and Young People's Festival.
This festival's brilliant. It's all about getting everybody involved, including everybody. And as you can see behind me, there's 4 different zones. We've got a gaming zone, a creator zone, a writer zone, and then an also cue presenter zone, which is personally my favourite. I like that one, of course.
I'm here today because Lovely Little Farm's been nominated for a BAFTA. BAFTA bring in loads of kids to give them a taster of what the creative media can be like, and I've been giving them sneaky peeks into how we made Lovely Little Farm.
When I was a child, I didn't know careers existed in the industry, so just making children aware that they can go on and have a career and work and earn money and have a good time doing jobs in the industry, and the variety of jobs there are in the industry, I think doing this is remarkable and a good thing.
So we're here today for the Young BAFTA Awards, and we've been talking to kids about what it is to be an actor, and also about how we've been nominated for the BAFTAs.
This is more and more important to engage with kids and give them the opportunity to develop their natural talent, to develop their natural interests, whether it's in front of the camera or behind the camera.
I just met a young girl who was just really excited about it, and she then asked about my job, and once I told her basically all the different things that you can do, she was like, that is exactly what I want to do.
One young lady, she told us that she didn't want to get going until she was had a bit more experience, and we said, don't wait, get started, write to all the agencies, don't take no for an answer, keep going. In the meantime, keep making your own films.
We've had a fab time at the BAFTA Children and Young People Festival.
It's been brilliant meeting young audiences, hearing about their enthusiasms within the creative industries, and maybe helping them get their first start in a job there. I mean, it's been a fantastic day, and above all, there was a complimentary buffet lunch.
It's been great.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Does that sound all right? Any notes?
Yeah.